So here we are. This is twin one Grace. So she was born at 31 weeks, as we know. She's now 38 weeks corrected age. And just last night, her nasogastric tube has come out. So we are going to see if she is able to feed and grow in next 24 hours. She has been extremely stable. Just this morning when I was examining her, I have found a heart murmur, which sounds like an innocent flow murmur rather than a pathological murmur. So Monique, I told you that she had a heart murmur this morning,
Yep.
and I have come back again to see her because you are here now. So when we are examining the babies, what we look at the basic observations first. Her color is nice and pink, so despite having a heart murmur, her oxygen saturations, as you can see, are 100% in room air without any oxygen support. She's maintaining her oxygen levels extremely well. And we are just waking her up. So before she wakes up completely, we should check her red reflex so that we know that she doesn't have any congenital cataracts and other abnormalities in the eyes. So this was very easy. This is a very cooperative baby. I like her. This is the best red reflex I have seen today. So it was very easy to get the red reflex. So before she starts crying, we'll quickly listen to her heart so that usually before babies start crying, we get the red reflex and the heart murmurs sorted. So I can still hear the heart murmur. It is high pitched. It is very typical of innocent flow murmurs because rapidly growing babies need more blood for the tissues and heart is pumping at a high velocity. So most of these are innocent flow murmurs and they would usually disappear in coming few weeks or coming few months. But sometimes they are not innocent, sometimes they can be because of congenital heart disease, but then they will manifest with time. I think we will be watching her in next few days and see what her growth and development is. One of the commonest causes in extremely premature babies is iron deficiency. If they are low in iron, they are rapidly growing and they are not getting enough iron. So iron deficiency will result in very rapid flow of blood that can cause heart murmurs too.
Okay.
So that doesn't always need treatment, we just need iron supplements. And we will give her iron supplements for coming few months to ensure that she doesn't get iron deficient. She's stitching away happily.